tired and like you have no energy? It could be what you're eating. That's according to the author of You Can't Outrun Your Fork, How to Break the Cycle of Feeling Sick and Tired and Transition to a Healthier Life Naturally. And joining us now is Dr. Anya Szigeti. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you so much, Linda. Great to be here.
Before we discuss what you're going to make and put it together, just curious, what made you decide to write this book? Were you feeling tired and low of energy, or what was your inspiration?
Have you ever heard someone say that they can eat whatever they want as long as they exercise?
Oh, sure. We all wish that was true. Yes.
Exactly. So I heard that from a lot of people, patients, friends, family, fellow athletes, and I believed it myself, even while I was participating in ultramarathons and Ironman triathlons. But then my health took a turn, and I was thankfully connected with a holistic functional practitioner like myself that was able to guide me, and I realized how important nutrition was for my health.
Just fueling your body the right way, right?
Yes,
All
exactly.
right, so we're going to continue to talk more about your book, but before, tell me what you're going to make and what I can do to help you.
Yes, absolutely. So this is my crunchy salad, and I love the salad for a lot of reasons. One is that it has the foundational four that I recommend for everyone to consume. Which are lots of plant-based fiber, healthy fats, high-quality protein, and something colorful. So we have all of that here. And so it's pretty simple to make. The beautiful thing with this salad is that you can get your partner involved, you can get your kids involved, chopping up the veggies, getting everything ready, and then you just kind of throw it together. And as you observed when we first walked in, there's no lettuce. And so it keeps really, really well. So we take it with us when we go RVing as well.
Oh, grab and go.
Yes.
All right. So you want me to start throwing in? Tell us what these are and why they're important to our health.
So we have cauliflower and broccoli. These, again, have lots of fantastic fiber. Every color of the rainbow has its own superpower. Do you know which color we eat the least in America?
Let me guess. Orange?
Purple.
No. Purple? Oh, purple.
Purple. So I want to make sure that we have some purple cabbage as well, so you can go ahead and throw that in. Here we have some parsley, which gives a nice fresh flavor as well.
Carrots?
I would say the carrots, yes.
Nice and colorful, right?
Yes, absolutely. And celery.
All right.
Tons of fiber with the celery.
Yes.
Here we have a mix of, I use sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds.
Love
you can
those.
use whatever you have on hand. Tons of fiber, plant-based protein, and healthy fats as well.
Oh, you're right. Yes, the nuts. Yes, okay.
And then some raisins.
The little sweet
For a little bit of sweet. Yes, absolutely. And then we have my lemon vinaigrette with a little bit of ginger.
So what all is in that? You make it yourself,
Yes,
right?
absolutely. So lemon juice, olive oil, fresh ginger, a little bit of honey, and some sea salt. So you get the zing and the bite and the flavors. It's also anti-inflammatory, and it helps complement the fresh vegetables as well.
All right. You just pour it all over there?
Pour it all on, and then stir up the ingredients, get everything mixed together.
So you wrote a book, and I'm hoping that the dressing recipe is in there.
Oh, absolutely. This whole recipe is in there.
What other kind of things will we find in your book?
Ooh. The book is a three-part. So it's a little bit about my journey and my health struggles, because I realized that, unfortunately, a lot of people are struggling with their health. And so I wanted to share my journey as some hope for others who are struggling as well. And then I share a lot about nutrition, the importance of nutrition in our health, and then about 100 of my favorite recipes in there as well.
So curious, what kind of impact did changing your diet have on your health? Did it cure you of the problem, or just make you... You tell me.
If I had to sum it up in one word, I would say transformative.
Oh, wow.
It was an entire shift, energy-wise, productivity-wise. It transformed my life to such a degree that I quit my high-stress corporate job and went back to school to become a functional practitioner so that I could help others as well.
How can people get your book?
It's available on Amazon. It is a bestseller on Amazon, and it's also available through my website, backtohealthfunctionalmedicine.com.
All right, should we try it really quickly?
Yes, absolutely. Let me give you some here.
Congratulations to your health.
Thank you. Yes, to your health, Linda. Cheers. Enjoy.
Cheers. Oh, it's light and refreshing.
Oh,
but I'll tell you what, it's the dressing is the key. So if you want the dressing, you can find her book, You Can't Outrun Your Fork, on Amazon.